Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Squishies Forever. Today I have a special guest.
Me, Nathan.
And today it's gonna be pretty fun because today we are gonna make all of our slimes.
I already mixed my slime.
We're not gonna mix this one because this one's kind of too puffy and it's gonna be kind of weird. But yeah, so we are gonna start putting one
at a time.
Yeah. So first we are gonna put my what is it called again? Pumpkin spice. And it's called pumpkin spice because it's orange and it looks like the hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works pumpkin spice, I believe, yeah. And so we are gonna place it in the bowl, and yeah, I'll see you right now. Okay, so we're just gonna pop it in and
Spread it out a little bit.
no, we're not gonna spread
Okay,
it.
there.
Just go like that.
Next, we're gonna pour in. You're gonna put this one in.
Yeah, this little one, I don't really have a name for it. Or it's kind of milky, so I guess I'm gonna call it milky. And I'm gonna plop it in there. No, stop! Don't do
Next
that.
one, you wanna do this one?
Yeah. This is, I don't even know.
How are you supposed to get that out? Oh, like that.
It's
I didn't
glittery.
really touch them. Don't fuck it up.
Don't even touch it, okay?
Why?
Don't touch
Oh.
this. And
I think that's it.
hold on. We're gonna get as much as we can, and we'll be back. Then we are gonna pop in my Galaxy one because it looks like Galaxy.
I had 3 slimes in here, but then I mixed it.
And this one is really jelly. So we're just gonna pop it in. And there it goes in the little wheel
Our next
barrel.
one is this one.
Yeah.
Our last one's gonna be this one because this
Which
one's
is
mine.
Yeah.
Filled all the way up in the top.
This is, I call it my, what did I call it? Hold on. It's called Crystal because it has crystals in it. Well, beads, but it looks like crystals. I don't think you can see, but go look at my other, oh no, I deleted it, I think. But we made a video when we put the beads into the slime. But anyways, yeah, we're just gonna pop
And now
that
we're
in.
gonna put the big one in.
Not really big.
Look at the color.
Oh my gosh, what you add in it?
I don't know. It just came out like that. Wait, I got it. This is my slime, Maddie.
I know. I'm gonna pull this one and you're gonna pull it.
Give me all of it.
And just throw it in there.
Let me just like mix it.
And now we're gonna show you all the slimes that are in there. And now we are just gonna
Let's mix it with our hands.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I can't believe we're doing this. Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Oh wow, that one feels like it's gonna rip.
Rip.
Ooh, your Galaxy one's so watery.
Oh my god, this is big. Hold on.
Mm.
Hold on. Oh, yours took up the most color. Huh.
Yeah. I told you mine was big, and you said no, it wasn't.
It doesn't really matter if it was big or not. Hold on.
Wait, let me peel it. Go put it
I'm just gonna get the extra slime that's in the containers.
I wish we could mix this one in. And Ellie said no.
Yeah, because that one's too puffy. This one's so, like, cool.
I know. Let's just add it.
No, it's gonna be puffy.
That's good. Just
Okay,
1,
fine.
2, 3. We added the big one, and we'll just put it in here.
You have to like press it hard though. See, it's not really good.
It is.
I mean, it's big, but like... See, it's not really even pokeable now.
Yes, it is.
I can't even.
Watch. Okay, now.
I'll be back. Okay, guys, so we added the big one. And it's bigger, but... And it makes a lot of poking noise, but the only thing is that, like, it's not hard, but you have to press it in more. Like, when it wasn't with the big one, you could have pressed, like, poked it softly, but now you actually have to, like, press it in more, but it's still pretty pokeable, and it's really big. It's like the size of my head. Now I'm gonna show you guys, like, yeah, guys, it's big. And Nathan he went downstairs to go watch the game. Okay, now I'm gonna poke it for you guys, so yeah. So I got into a better filming area, which is upstairs. I mean, sorry. Oh my gosh, dude. But, I got in a better filming area. So, yeah, this was like all. And this is pretty cool. I knew we should have kept it just regular. I mean, it got bigger and puffier, but it got a little bit more harder. It was like just soft when he just added that. But then Nathan wanted to add it, but I'm totally fine with it. I'm okay now. It's really cool because it's really big, and like, yep, there goes the bead falling out of the slime. So hold on, I'm gonna take it out of here and I'll be back. Okay, so I take it out. I really recommend you guys to mix your slimes, because then it creates this beautiful, nice slime, and it makes it really big. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give this a thumbs up. If you want me to do other videos like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if we get to 20, we're gonna do another special thing for you guys. But yeah, anyways, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Yep, there it ends. Sorry about that. The beats came off. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you want to see these videos. And if we hit to 20 subscribers, then we're gonna do, me and Nathan are gonna do something like this, but something different. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.